Hello everybody, today we are going to talk about a book written by Roald Dahl. The book's name is Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. So there was a boy named Charlie Bucket. He was a very poor kid that he did not even have proper food to eat. When he was coming back from school, he found a 50 cents on the ground. He went to a chocolate shop and bought a chocolate. Inside that, there was a golden ticket. He went to Mr. Willy Wonka's chocolate factory. And there were 4 more children there. August Gloop. There was one more character. I forgot its name. August Gloop, Veruca Salt, Violet Beluga, and Mike TV. So first of all, they went and they saw a chocolate river. Everybody was roaming around and exploring. August Gloop was trying to drink the chocolate and he fell into it. The pipe sucked him and he went to a room. His mom was so scared that she went to the room and was going to help him. Then they went to the next room. That room was the inventing room. They were inventing many things. And there was one chewing gum. You did not need to have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Just need to chew the gum. Violet Beluga was chewing the gum and she became into a big fat type of blueberry. Then she went to the squeezing machine. Her mom went with her too. Then they went to the nut room. There were many squirrels, 100 squirrels. Veruca Salt wanted a squirrel, but they couldn't. So she went inside and she was going to take a squirrel. They all jumped on her and put her down the hole into the trash bin. Her father was so scared that was going and then he also fell down. So then it was left Charlie and Mike TV. Then they went to the television chocolate room from the glass elevator. Then it's a teleporter. Chocolate can get teleported into the television. Just take out our hand, take the chocolate and eat it. Mike TV did the same, but he came out as a teeny tiny person. Then Willy Wonka said, "Let's take him to the stretching room." Then they took him to the stretching room. Then only Charlie was left. Then Willy Wonka said, Congratulations, you have got the reward. It is the whole chocolate factory." Now from the glass elevator, they went home. And then they said, "You have got the whole chocolate factory." Then he asked, "Can I take my mom and dad along?" He said, "Yes. Until you will grow up, you cannot. Your parents cannot stay." So, thank you for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.